There's no need to complicate this.
Hi guys, so this trip we went to Venice. Jake and I took a ferry to a glass factory. It was actually pretty cool to see. They molded some stuff and we got to kind of watch a little show. It was really nice.
Very lastly, this is a bubble. What's happening at the bubble when you blow to going to explode like every bubble.
Yeah, we highly recommend if you go to Venice to do it. It's an experience that you have to, I guess, do. We got really lucky though when we got there. There wasn't that many tourists at all, and there was no flooding. I'm pretty sure like a couple of weeks before there was flooding. Of course, we had to go into the lolly shop. Jake loves lollies. The gondola trip was so nice. It's super chill. You get to see all the like architecture. It's really beautiful. It was very cold when we went though. This was about 4 years ago. Because it was really cold, we were pretty sick. This was all pre-lockdown and everything. So we kind of just tried to keep it minimal and doing activities.
Yeah, apparently there's traffic. I'm guessing that's what we're talking about. Too many gondolas going in.
Yeah, so apparently they told us there was traffic, so we had to wait just after this bridge for a little bit. And it was because there was so many ferries and stuff on the bigger entrance in the big canal. And that's probably one of the next clips here. So there's a lot of like bigger boats, so we had to like wait to do like a little trip around. But it was really nice. We highly recommend Venice. For like a couple of days was good. You kind of do a lot in a couple of days. And the food was delicious as well. Anyways guys, hit like and subscribe and join the journey.